Will AnyColor fall like Cover Corporation? While Cover Corporation is recovering from their drop of 29% following their Q3 report, many are wondering if AnyColor is due to the same thing. Hello Internet, this is Marko bringing you a preview leading up to AnyColor's Q3 report. We'll be hitting on multiple topics, so please check the timestamps if you want to skip around. Through the last 30 days, it's been rough on AnyColor's performance. The company has enjoyed a 3-month winning streak, gaining 33.47%. Global markets have been drastically affected over the past few months due to trade disagreements and threat of tariffs, which could impact non-digital merchandise sales. Commerce for Q3 should remain strong for AnyColor based on their past performance. Unlike their competition, which leans more heavily on the US market, AnyColor has mostly insulated itself by focusing on the Japanese market itself. 4 key actions will play out after their report is released. AnyColor, much like Hololive's Cover Corporation, will see a market reaction based upon margin traders, the volume of short selling, and a buy or sell mentality. As of time of recording, margin shorts have subtly retreated while long-term margin buys have increased. However, normal short selling trading has outpaced the borrowed loan shares for long-term investments. We are also waiting to see the GDP results, since this also plays a critical factor in the economy and affects the stock value. Between margin trading, shorts, the GDP forecast, and political changes, there are many factors that will affect AnyColor's share price. Particularly, AnyColor's earnings report will play a huge role. Based upon current information, AnyColor's Q3 forecast calls for a total revenue of at least 9.6 billion yen, with a net revenue of between 2.5 to 2.7 billion yen. Now there are a few things to bear in mind here. Some analysts and firms consider operating and ordinary profit as key indicators, especially in Japan. In AnyColor's case, they would need an operating profit of at least 3.7 billion yen and an ordinary profit of 3.73 billion yen. As key points of interest, AnyColor reported in Q2 the inefficiencies of their shipping practices, which generated a significant backlog of products sitting in their warehouse. We will need to see improvements on this situation when the report is released. Otherwise, continued shipping delays and setbacks will begin negatively impact their revenue, which accounts for 59% of their income. Second, we need to hear, hopefully through the investor relations and earnings report, whether or not positive progress has been made to their VTuber/unit production structure. This structure is meant to align all support systems for the VTuber to make communication and implementation easier. Third, expect to see more talk and attention brought to their recent and upcoming live events for Q3's results, as well as their NIJISANJI and the World Tour announcement for Q4. Finally, a sore sticking point for AnyColor is their EN branch. We should hopefully hear some movement among the EN branch with the announcement of the 4 new VTubers joining the company. We'll keep you updated if there is any new news filtering out between now and their quarterly report release. Until then, this is Marko signing off. Peace.